finish what I start.
Me.
Finish what I start.
Neutral.
I finish what I start.
I
finish what I start.
Art.
Finish what I start.
Lucas.
I finish what I start.
Isaiah.
Finish what I start.
Pete.
I finish what I start.
Jacob.
I finish what I start.
Bernie.
I finish what I start.
Lewis.
I finish what I start.
Lick.
I finish what I start.
Diego.
I finish what I start.
Isaac.
Finish what I start. I 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 finish what I start. Finish what I start.
Let's go. Let's get better.
Success in life comes when you simply refuse to give up. On a mission so strong that obstacles like failure and loss only act as motivation. I mean, like, no one has the power to shatter your dreams unless you give something's telling me to stop. I never do that in the name of love until I've given it my all and it just ain't enough. See, even if it's getting realer than they say it was, straighten up. Who's afraid of what? Player, get involved. Nah, you work hard till you're better off. 24/7, 365, never off. Look at me, I'm nocturnal, I don't sleep. My eyes heavy bags and crow's feet, but I won't be stopped. I go from tragedy to majesty. The victory has been woven into my tapestry. My adversaries not cut from the same flag as me. That's why the champion's gonna be who it has to be. This ain't the type of opportunity that just appears. I made it here because I shed blood, sweat, and tears. To get the title I forever have my sights on. This is where I become an American icon. Yeah. If you a champion, show me you a champion. If you a champion, show me you a champion. Cause real champions move like champions. And real champions prove that they're champions. If you a champion, show me you a champion. If you a champion, show me you a champion. Cause real champions move like champions. And real champions prove that they're champions. Listen, forward motion never fail. I learned to hustle as part of a cautionary tale. Hard work is something I know very well. A lesson and a blessing out of each and every L. I ball, I fell in love with the game and never looked back. My foundation and frame, they never shook that. Been trailblazing my name into the book that represent all the champs who had a chance and took that. And laser focus is the reoccurring theme, forever coming to me like a reoccurring dream. If we weren't kings, we'd probably be swimming upstream, trying to make the devil come clean for the umpteenth. You know me as the global dean from the noble team. So convene and the whole regime shall be overseen. I'm a pillar like a column in the pantheon. Competition, I can't see them, I'm champion. Yeah. If you a champion, show me you a champion. If you a champion, show me you a champion. Cause real champions move like champions. And real champions prove that they're champions. If you a champion, show me you a champion. If you a champion, show me you a champion. Cause real champions move like champions. And real champions prove that they're champions.
I'm gonna prove that I'm the champion. And if it's something I can't do, well then it can't be done. And I ain't saying I don't lose, or saying I'm the only one. But if it's either I or you, the best believe it's only gonna be one. True champion.
Yeah. If you a champion, show me you a champion. If you a champion, show me you a champion. Cause real champions move like champions. And real champions prove that they're champions. If you a champion, show me you a champion. If you a champion, show me you a champion. Cause real champions move like champions. And real champions prove that that they're champions. If you a champion, show me you a champion. If you a champion, show me you a champion. Cause real champions move like champions, and real champions prove that they're champions. If you a champion, show me you a champion. If you a champion, show me you a champion. Cause real champions move like champions, and real champions prove that they're champions.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Steadily tune heavy, never refuse. Plenty of soothing, amusing music melodies. Mic snatcher, high colliding rhyme advancer. Nightmare and apple, fight fair in battles. Raw rhymes of dark matter. All types of jot scatter. Hard time and rock shackles. Posh dimes get off afro. Soft side and dark shadow. Create a cool rhyme, inspirational like. It's the way that you'll vibe with the page in the mind. Slow tempo, so monumental, continental. Caught the pencil on par with the cause of the ornamental. With a little bit of a simple kind of drama. Rhyme defying, blind eyes open when the rhyme's smoking from the writing. Gentle giant shining armor on the track. Saw the fact that relation, then we put it on wax like that. I have the best head bob than anybody you know. I let the rest get calm, then rock the building with flow. I get the best headstrong, stomp the ceiling to the flow. Protect your headset going and drive your neck to the show. Keeping your head into 3 and off with a settle. The beat with a proper pen with a speed when I'm off the blend with the breeze. Derogative ends in the dirt and offer to send with the verse and talking to kin and the words and arcs and the beds and the words and top of the boat for nothing. Soften the blows you snuffing. A lot of people when this road are going through the suffering. Spots of evil when this road I'm hoping to be bludgeoned. Shocking people with the scroll erosion of the coming. Next resurrection, ahead of perfection. Learning the ropes, helping to step in the direction. You would never guess this team would work when froze words bless and manifest this earth. Soft spots, watch blocks, rocks, locks, knock, stock, hot blocks. Pen in the pad, rhyming it great though. You best with the plan? I wouldn't say so. Correcting a man, you likely to take blows. Step in the sand and rise in the gravestone. Brain awake and take base, rate the base, pay to play plays, make haste naysayers.
Good job, family. Bring it up on the.
Hey, give me on me! Give me on 3! 1, 2, 3!
Show me you a champion. If you a champion, show me you a champion. Cause real champions move like champions. And real champions prove that they're champions. If you a champion, show me you a champion. If you a champion, show me you a champion. Cause real champions move like champions. And real champions prove that they're champions.